Hi everyone, Morgan here, and I am super excited to be part of SPAMTember with these two YouTubers here. I was so excited about this because, 7 years ago, I didn't like Spam, and I tried it for the first time, and I was like, this is really good. And then recently I got the Ultimate Spam Cookbook, and I've been so excited about, trying new things. There's lots of really fun things you can do with Spam, and Spam gets a really bad rap, okay? But hopefully with this SPAMTember and seeing everybody's recipes, it'll encourage you to try Spam and to add it to your food storage because it is a good option. They have lots of different versions. They have bacon, they have light, they have the 25% less sodium and all that. But let me show you the recipe that we're going to be using out of this cookbook for today. So I wanted to choose recipes that I might still have even in an emergency situation. So like not a lot of fresh stuff. So I found this, the Spam PB&J. Now, I was immediately like, no, I don't think so. It sounds crazy, the Spam peanut butter and jelly. But, I would have peanut butter, jelly, easy to store and have on hand or make ourselves, and then bread, easy to make. So Spam PB&J seems like a good everyday or emergency preparedness meal. So I'm just following the directions here. I'm going to toast the bread. I'm going to fry up the Spam a little bit, and then I'm going to put it all together in a nice, delicious sandwich. So it says to use the 25% less sodium, but I have the light version. It's not exactly the same, but it's the light. I feel like they're the same, but whatever. I'm going to use this. I wish I had that fancy Spam slicer that Prepper Potpourri has. That's on my wish list now, but I guess I'll just do it the primitive way with a knife. Prepper Potpourri is doing a giveaway of one of these Spam slicers. All you have to do is comment on any of our videos, and a winner will be picked at random. This is about all I'm going to cut up for this. I'm probably only going to use 2, maybe 3. But, you want some Spam?
No.
I'll just eat it. I'm really hungry right now, so I'm really motivated. Motivated to eat. Okay, let's do this. And then the kids can find entertainment through drumming on the peanut butter. Drum, 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 drum. No? Okay. This is actually the first official thing that I'm cooking on our brand new stove. You want up? She's not feeling too good today. This is the first official meal that I'm making on the stove, on our brand new oven and stove. I'll have a whole video about the expansion on our cabin that we did, but it's exciting. It's so good. I love it. First meal was a success. Okay, peanut butter on one side, jelly on the other. Yeah, jelly. Then we're gonna take Spam. Oh boy, I'm scared. Oh, 3 was perfect. Okay, and we're gonna put it down like this. Boop, 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 boop. The bread has been toasted. Okay, there's the Spam peanut butter and jelly. All right, let's taste test. Okay, let's try it. It's like a peanut butter and jelly. Get a good bite. She's the first taste tester. Let's try it. Eat it. Chew it. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
You like?
Yeah.
You're not lying?
No.
There's Spam in there. It's Spam peanut butter and jelly. In the camera. Okay, let's taste it.
Is it yummy?
It's actually pretty dang good. I gotta say, that is delicious. Oh my gosh.
Mama.
You try it?
No.
She's not feeling real well. She hasn't been eating a lot, but I
Say bye.
can't believe I'm saying this, but it is delicious. And I will say goodbye because I want you guys to go find this recipe, do this yourself. You're going to be pleasantly surprised. It is delicious. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm going to put the recipe down below, but I want you guys to go and actually get the Spam cookbook yourself. I cannot believe I'm saying, no, this is delicious, but it is. It's so good. Thank you all so much for watching. Come tomorrow. Bye bye today. Talk to you later. Bye. What's this? Going back for seconds?
Uh-huh.
So go ahead, bite into it.
Yeah.
Yes, you can. Bite. Ugh. Isn't that just like weirdly delicious?
Good.
It is good. Okay, husband's gonna try it.
Yeah, it's really good.
It's like a crazy good combination. All right, there you have it.